Hello, welcome to our local world. We live in Felinfoel. Felinfoel is a village near town of Llanelli in Carmarthenshire, South West Wales.
This is our local world, and we are now going to describe our local world.
This is our school.
This is our playground and grounds of our school.
Near the school we have many interesting features and services.
The River Llanelli runs through our village.
We have many different types of houses.
There's also a church and chapel in the village.
This is the butcher's shop, the post office, the fish and chip shop and the small supermarket.
Our village is also famous.
Here is the famous and historic Felinfoel Brewery.
If you enjoy being active, we also have a rugby club, a football club and a cricket club.
On the outskirts of our village we have a hotel and a health spa.
Our village is also very old. There used to be a corn mill in the village around 1399.
We hope you enjoyed learning about our local world. Goodbye!